In the crowded market of project management and business software, choosing the right tool can feel like navigating a maze. Two prominent solutions that frequently come up in discussions are Scoro and Teamwork. While both aim to enhance productivity and streamline operations, they approach these goals from different angles, catering to distinct organizational needs. As a project management expert, I often guide teams through these choices, and understanding the core differences between Scoro and Teamwork is crucial for making an informed decision. At a high level, the fundamental difference lies in their scope and primary focus. Teamwork is primarily a robust project management and team collaboration platform. Its strength lies in helping teams plan, track, and deliver projects efficiently, fostering clear communication and managing tasks from initiation to completion. It's built for teams that need powerful tools to coordinate work, share files, and keep everyone aligned on project objectives. Scoro, on the other hand, is an end-to-end work management software, often categorized as Professional Services Automation (PSA). While it includes strong project management capabilities, its focus extends much further to encompass sales, CRM, financial management, quoting, budgeting, invoicing, resource planning, and comprehensive reporting across all business operations. Scoro aims to be a unified platform for professional service businesses, helping them manage everything from the first client contact to the final invoice. Let's dive into the specifics of their feature sets and ideal use cases to highlight these distinctions. Teamwork, the collaborative project powerhouse. Teamwork is designed with the daily realities of project execution and team communication at its heart. Key features and strengths of Teamwork. Core project management. Teamwork offers a comprehensive suite of project management tools, including task lists, subtasks, milestones, Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and dependencies. This allows project managers to break down complex projects, assign responsibilities, and visualize timelines effectively. Collaboration and communication. This is where Teamwork truly shines. It provides features like message boards, notebooks for shared documentation, chat integration, often through Teamwork Chat, a companion product, and robust file sharing. The emphasis is on keeping all project-related communication centralized and easily accessible, reducing reliance on scattered emails. Time tracking and billing. Project-focused Teamwork includes native time tracking directly tied to tasks and projects. This is essential for understanding project effort, managing billable hours for client work, and analyzing team utilization. While it has some billing features, they are typically focused on generating invoices based on track time and expenses within the project context. Resource management. Within projects, it allows for assigning tasks and estimating workloads for team members, helping to identify potential bottlenecks within a project. Client collaboration. Teamwork is well regarded for its client-facing features, allowing for secure client portals where external stakeholders can view project progress, provide feedback, and access relevant files. This is particularly valuable for agencies and consulting firms. Reporting offers various reports focused on project progress, task completion, time spent, and team performance within projects. Ideal user for Teamwork. Teamwork is an excellent fit for agencies, marketing, creative, digital, where client work, project delivery, and internal collaboration are paramount. Consulting firms, for managing projects, client communication, and tracking billable hours. Software development teams, requiring agile project management, bug tracking, and collaborative coding efforts. Internal project teams in larger organizations that need a dedicated, powerful tool solely for project execution and collaboration, without necessarily integrating deeply with sales or accounting beyond project-level financials. Companies prioritizing strong communication and ease of collaboration among team members. Scoro, the all-in-one business management platform. Scoro positions itself as an end-to-end solution designed to provide a 360-degree view of a business, particularly those in the professional services sector. It integrates various business functions that are often handled by separate software tools. Key features and strengths of Scoro. Comprehensive project management. Scoro offers robust project planning, tracking, and reporting capabilities, similar to Teamwork. This includes Gantt charts, Kanban boards, task lists, milestones, and dependencies. Sales and CRM. A significant differentiator. Scoro includes built-in CRM functionality to manage leads, contacts, customer accounts, and sales pipelines. This allows businesses to track the entire client journey from initial contact to project delivery and invoicing within one system. Quoting and budgeting. Scoro provides powerful tools for creating detailed quotes and proposals, and then converting them into project budgets. This tightly links pre-sales activities with project delivery and financial tracking. Financial management, deeper integration beyond basic invoicing. Scoro allows for more sophisticated financial tracking, including revenue forecasting, cost management, tracking purchase orders, supplier bills, and profitability analysis at the project, client, and service level. It integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, but also handles many finance-related tasks natively. Resource planning and capacity management. Scoro excels in helping businesses understand and manage their team's capacity across multiple projects. It allows for detailed resource allocation, forecasting availability, and preventing overwork or underutilization. This is a critical feature for service-based businesses that rely heavily on their team's time. Advanced reporting and dashboards. Scoro offers highly customizable dashboards and a wide array of reports that provide insights into sales performance, project profitability, team utilization, and overall business health. This single source of truth helps in data-driven decision-making.